to explain blocks, Ruby blocks. Simply, a Ruby block is just code that is inside the brackets. Just think of it like that. All right. And to explain it, this is an array here. We're going to make an array. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 into the array. And then from the array, we're going to print out each element in the array by the use of this block. So let's do that right now, and I'll explain along the way. Okay, so first let's start our array. Let's go my thing won't type. Let's see. All right, my array. Of course, this is the variable. You can name it anything. In fact, let's go ahead and name it something else. Let's go say my zebra. My array zebra. Let's just go my zebra. Oh boy. Okay. Equals. We're gonna have it equal whatever is inside these brackets here. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. But that will make an error if we just press enter right now. I'll do that for you. Syntax error. Okay. So Control K. Clear your screen off. Let's do that again. So make it correctly. We want to pound W makes it into an array. I mean, pound W takes a string and makes it to an array. So now we press W. You see my zebra equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll just type in my zebra again. My zebra. Press enter. It'll spit out 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now for the array. Now what we want to do is go have it print out the array through the use of blocks. And there's two ways that you can print an array. First is through these brackets, or by using do and end and putting the commands in the middle. See how in the middle of the bracket, the command right here, and in the middle of the do and end is the command right here. It's the same command. Okay, and what all this is doing right here is that it is taking whatever's in this array and putting it inside here. So whatever's in the array now is in here. And now we just focus on this universe right here. And all this universe says is that 1, 2, 3, 4, print that. And here's 1, concatenate, then print 2, so forward and so forward. Then 4. And every time it prints between these brackets, it gets one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4. But because all of this, the dot, 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 is inside the here, it prints a dot, dot, dot too. So let's do that. All right. So my zebra dot each, which is telling it to go into the my zebra and get each one of the elements inside of my zebra, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And for each one, we're going to do whatever is inside these brackets. Think of it that way. What's inside, but these brackets are a universe within itself. How does 1, 2, 3, 4 get inside the brackets? Well, it gets inside the brackets through these pipes. And these pipes, you can put anything in here. I put the array just because, but because it's called my zebra, let's say just for Z. Let's put Z. All right. So then print. And what are we going to print? We're going to print whatever is inside these quotes. Okay? So whatever we're going to print inside the quotes, we're going to print whatever is inside these brackets, inside the quotes. And that happens to be these things inside the quote. So go plus, which means concatenation, R, variable, which is a Z. Remember the universe, Z. We're going to print whatever is in Z now, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to keep on printing each Z out. Okay? And in addition to that, dot, it's going to print dot, 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 because dot, dot, dot is inside these type of brackets. I forget what they're called, bookmark brackets. No, these are not bookmarks. Well, they're squiggly brackets. All right? So let's print enter, see what we get. As you see, it went 1, 1, because 1 is in here. But that just doesn't print it. That's just a variable. But then it goes print, because that's a method name, right? We all know that. Print takes inside here. And what we're going to print inside there? We're going to print this, the thing that was inside here originally. We're going to put it in there. And we're going to say 1 with the brackets, dot, dot, dot. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the block. Okay. And there's another way to, like I said at the beginning, to do this block. If you have more than one, oops, shoot. Oh well. I'm using a bitmap program to do this. But just remember, this is the way to do the block. If you need more than one commands in here, then you put them on another line, Okay? And just remember, you might, if you see these blocks and these pipes, then you might be thinking, oh, you might be a block. And the same thing with do and end and the pipes again. All right, that's my explanation of Ruby blocks. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.